Join me as I take on the challenge of healing my chronic cough using only home remedies. Chronic coughs can be super frustrating and really disrupt your daily life. From a nagging tickle in the back of your throat to full-blown coughing fits, it's something that can really get in the way of just feeling normal. And let's not forget, it could be a sign of an underlying issue that needs attention. Finding a solution is key, and that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Living with a chronic cough is tough. It's not just the constant coughing that's a problem, but also the discomfort that comes with it. You might find yourself struggling to sleep at night, or feeling like you're always on edge, waiting for the next coughing fit. And then there's the worry about what could be causing it in the first place. Is it just a lingering cold, or something more serious? The uncertainty can be really stressful. The impact on daily life can't be overstated. A chronic cough can make it hard to focus at work or enjoy time with friends and family. Simple tasks, like going for a walk or doing some light exercise, can become daunting challenges. And let's not forget about the strain it puts on your throat and lungs. It's a vicious cycle, and breaking it requires finding effective remedies. People often reach for over-the-counter medications or, worse, assume it's just something they have to live with. But there are plenty of home remedies that can help soothe and calm a chronic cough. Exploring these options can be a great way to find some relief without relying on harsh chemicals. So, what can you do? There are plenty of natural ingredients and methods that can help. Honey, for example, has antibacterial properties that can soothe a sore throat. Mixing it with warm water or tea can make for a comforting drink. Steam inhalation is another great option. It helps loosen mucus and ease coughing fits. Herbal teas, like thyme or licorice root, have also been shown to have a positive effect. Some people swear by the combination of honey and lemon. It's a classic remedy that's easy to make and can be really effective. Just mix equal parts honey and lemon juice in warm water, and you've got a soothing drink that can help calm a cough. Another option is to try a steam inhaler with eucalyptus oil. It can help open up your airways and make breathing easier. I've tried a few different remedies myself, and one that really stood out was the combination of ginger and honey. I started making a tea with fresh ginger and honey, and it really helped soothe my throat. I also started doing steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil, and that seemed to help loosen up any mucus that was lingering. Of course, everyone's different, but it's worth a try. The great thing about these remedies is that they're easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether it's sipping on a warm drink or inhaling steam, they can make a big difference. And the best part is, they're natural, so you don't have to worry about any harsh side effects. To sum it up, there are plenty of home remedies that can help soothe and calm a chronic cough. From honey and lemon to steam inhalation and herbal teas, there's something out there for everyone. The key is to find what works for you and stick with it. Consistency is key when it comes to treating a chronic cough. If you've struggled with a chronic cough, I want to hear about it. Share your experiences with home remedies in the comments below. Have you found something that's worked for you? Let's chat about it. And if you're interested in more health tips and home remedies, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.